everyone, welcome to section 2.5. The title of this section is Adding Advanced Objects on the Canvas. To add the advanced objects on the canvas, we need to select the 3D shapes icon. On selecting the 3D shape icon, we can see a shortcut for 3D library, 3D doodle, 3D objects and some color and material options. On scrolling downwards, we can see 3D model section. So for this video, we'll be creating a gun and also we'll be adding some more complex objects like the dog and the cat to the canvas. So let's begin this video by adding a 3D model of a dog on the canvas. Left click to select the icon, then click and drag to add the dog on the canvas. On adding the dog, we can see some rotate icons and a depth position icon, that is the movement of the object along the z-axis. And we have also some other 3D selection parameters. Now let's move this dog to the left hand side. And let's try adding the cat to the canvas. Select the cat icon and then click and drag to add the cat. Again we have those rotate icons and the 3D selection parameters. Click anywhere on the canvas to add the cat to the canvas. Let's use the 3D view. On using the 3D view, we can see the 3D model of the dog and the cat more clearly. Now, we'll be also creating a new object in Paint 3D. The new object will be the gun. So to create the gun, we'll be using some 3D objects. For that, first let's remove the cat and the dog from the canvas. First, let's discuss the 3D objects that we'll be requiring to create the gun. We'll be first requiring a cylinder. So let's begin by adding the cylinder to the canvas. We have added the cylinder on the canvas. Now let's rotate it by 90 degrees along the z-axis. Click anywhere on the canvas to add the cylinder. Now let's try creating the remaining parts of the gun. For that, we'll need the curved cylinder. Now let's try creating the barrel part of the gun. For that, we'll be using the tube. Now let's rotate this by 90 degrees along the z-axis. Now let's rotate this again along z-axis by 90 degrees. So in this video, we have learned how to add complex 3D objects like a cat, a dog, and also we have learned how to create a gun using the 3D objects that are available on Paint 3D. Thank you for watching.